And here we got the final output of our application. Notice this is a text area. I have created the comment box to create a comment box with the text area. Now let's write. See, even if you add more text, see, that's it. Let's write the code how to create a simple comment box with text area using CSS tags. Just for the time saving, I have created one simple HTML elements. After the horizontal line, I am adding the code div container. In this div container, first let's add a property called class, which is a custom. Adding class to a div container. After that, I'm adding text area. Let's add the text area. We don't require this name and ID, just leave it like that. We'll use in CSS tags. Now after that, I'm adding one button. Inside this button, first we put this button control in the div container. Let's copy this one. Now in this div container, I'm adding the class called button container. Now this button name, let's add the add comment. Add comment is a label, and the button name, let's leave it like that only, button only. That's it. We have done the designing part. Now let's add some styles in the header section. I'm adding some style here. First let's add style to the custom text area dot custom text area. After that, position relative, then width is around 300 pixels, border is 2 pixels, solid black color. And after that, I'm adding padding for this div container, which is 10 pixels. And next thing, I'm adding the styles to this text area. Text area, border none. I don't want to display the border none. These properties are very important here. The main height, minimum height is around 100 pixels, and padding, I'm adding 5 pixels, padding 5 pixels, text align left, margin bottom 10 pixels, and outline is none. Now here the most important property, but default text area contains a resizable, so user can adjust the resizable, so I'm making none. And after that, and here I'm adding one more cursor properties. I'm adding auto, and overflow also auto. Then we have a text area focus, text area focus, border none, outline none. And what else we have? We have the button container, and this button container is inside the custom text area. So dot first add custom area, then dot, let's add this button container, copy this one and paste here, display, flex, justify content, flex end. Now let's add some styles to this button. Button padding, let's add the padding 5 pixels, 10 pixels. You can adjust the styles according to your requirement. Background color is, I'm adding orange, red color. Color of the text color is, I'm adding white. Then font size is large, border radius of the button control around, let's add the 10 pixels, border none, cursor is pointer. That's it. We have done the complete designing part and complete coding part. That's it. Now let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. For that, we need to open the File Explorer. Let's open the one. The folder I have created in the E drive, and the folder name is a JavaScript interview, and this is our file name, button insert text area. Let's check that one, button insert text area. Now let's open that one. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice this is the text area. I have created the comment box to create a comment box with the text area. Now let's write. See, even if you add more text, see, that's it. I have showed how to create a simple comment box with using the text area in CSS styles. You can adjust the height and width as I showed when I creating the coding part. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.